$5,000 per month, working 2 hours per day from home, sitting on your couch, talking to people who share your interests. How does that sound to you? If you want that life, type "I want that life" in the comments right now, because I'm going to show you how to do that. Something amazing happened today, and I had to share it with you as quickly as possible. I kicked off my 5 days to 5K months today, and it was amazing. I want to show you what happened, and you can still join. If you were there, let them know in the comments what it was like. But if you were not there, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, or if you decided to skip it for some reason, there is still time to jump in. You've asked me in the comments, can I still join? The answer is yes. Go to the description of this video below. Click the link and join. You join for free your first 5K club, and you get this 5-day challenge for free. So you have a 7-day trial that is free for you. After that, it's just $50 for the whole year. But even if you don't stay around, you can go to the entire 5-day challenge. Yes, there are replays if you can't make it live during the day. I'm going to show you something. Now, mind you, this just happened a few hours ago. I just did my first day a few hours ago. Look at Tyreek. I just created my page and I already got a customer. I love this group already. We weren't even doing this yet. That's going to be tomorrow and the next day. But Tyreek was so hyped from today's work that he jumped right in. This was a few hours ago. Right now, he posted, I'm at my customer number 6, paid customer number 6, because of what I'm teaching. And then you see how many people jumped in that congratulate him and say that's amazing, it's so awesome. This is what's going on inside of your first 5K club. So if you didn't sign up yet, today is the day to do it. This is my post right after, so 8 hours ago. See how many people have already started talking about it? It's so cool, right? People are going crazy. This is what I'm talking about. So let me tell you what we're doing. If you're excited about this, let me know, because I'm excited. I hope you can tell. Okay, what we're doing is pretty simple. I said earlier, 2 hours per day from your couch if you want, or from the beach, or from whatever's your happy place. What's your happy place? Let me know what your happy place is. Mine is at a concert or right in front of the water, whether that's on a cruise or at like Laguna Beach, or just like right outside my door, but there's a bed nearby. I'm not dealing with people. I'm not dealing with people. I'm just looking at that ocean and listening to it. That's my happy place. And yes, you can do this from there. How do I know? Because I've done it. What we're talking about is a simple framework that I am teaching the details of, the exact step-by-step. Tyreek didn't know this when he came in. I taught him a few things for an hour with about 250 other people live. And then another 250 have watched the replay. And minutes later, he got his first customer. And then hours later, he was at number 6. Who knows what he'll be tomorrow morning or today if you're watching this on Tuesday or after. Who knows where he'll be when you see this video. And we're just getting started. So here's the framework. You take a niche YouTube channel, and then you pair it with the very same school membership, and you sell this membership for $50 per month. My bad, I messed it up. $50 per year, not per month, per year, which is pennies a day. It's pennies a day. So people are all over it. And you might be saying, well, that sounds simple, so simple that why hasn't everybody done this? Because they haven't all worked with me. Let me tell you what's about to happen. This is truth. Okay, I'm predicting. I can't tell you if it's going to happen, but I'm predicting this. I believe that there will be hundreds and hundreds of people, if not more, who take this framework, this model that I have, and they learn it from me this week or in the replays, because you can see this anytime you're seeing this video, go into the replay or see us live, depending, and they're going to study what I tell them, do what I tell them to do, and they're going to have the life that I've just described to you. Hundreds, if not thousands, I believe, over the next few weeks, months, and years. I'm making that prediction right now because it's zero starting costs. And even when you get to paying, you're really only paying a few dollars a month. I, I can't think of anything else that costs this amount and allows you to do what I'm talking about. It is free to go on YouTube to start a YouTube channel or to start a second channel or to revamp your current channel and do it the way that I'm teaching in day 3. So if you are live, come check us out. If you see this later, it'll be right there in the classroom of your first 5K club on day 3. Just look it up. Teaching you all about YouTube on day 3. It's free to do that. In fact, YouTube eventually will start paying you if you get a certain number of subscribers, which is 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. But that's just going to be part of the whole thing. The second part of it is the school membership. Not Kajabi, not Circle, not Teachable, not Mighty Networks, but school. And I teach you in day 1 why, and then day 2 I go in. So school memberships is day 2. That's going to be amazing. And you pair those two things. School membership gives you a 14-day free trial. And then it can cost as little as $9 per month, depending on which of the 2 types you get. So that's what Tyreek got. Got a $9 a month membership. He's on a 14-day trial. He just took what I taught him. I gave him something like a tool. I'm going to tell you about this tool in a second, but I gave him something that helped him, and then he immediately ran with it. And then day 4, I teach you how to bring those people in. How do you get those customers? How do you get those viewers? How do you make that happen? And day 5 is our golden day, where I'm just going to show you how to scale this thing and put it on autopilot so that you are, in a certain amount of time, making $5,000 or whatever amount works for you. I asked inside of the live chat this morning, I said, what's an amount? Because I'm saying $5,000 a month because 80% of my viewers make less than that. What's an amount for you? So, we had hundreds of people in there, so there's all kinds of numbers. Somebody said 1.5K a month would be amazing. People said 2K, 3K, 5. Some people said 7, 10, 12. All of that's attainable with this method. But you got to put in the work, and you also have to follow the guidelines that I give you in this challenge. So it's so exciting. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. And this is what we're going to do too. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. What that does is it trains YouTube's algorithm to know that this video is helpful to people. And so then it puts the video in front of more people and gives them the decision, the choice to click on it. Because someone else succeeding does not stop you from succeeding. That's what's cool about this. This is why I'm so excited about this. So if you think about what I was just talking about, pricing, upfront capital, $0. It's 7-day free trial to come into the 5-day challenge with me, no matter when you see this. And then it's $50 for the whole year. So you're set. Tyreek made more than $50 just now. You know what I mean? Isn't that crazy? Okay, so then it's a 14-day free trial to school, and then it just costs $9 a month if you choose that type of membership. And you do pay, when you do the $9, you do pay like a partial fee to school based on the money you bring in. But that's not you paying extra. That's just them removing that before you get the check. And then YouTube is free to use. And you can use your phone, you can use your laptop, you can use a camera. You don't have to pay for anything. It might be a good idea for you to get some sort of nice sound, but we'll talk about that on day 3. So you really see that the upfront costs are like nothing. And then a couple weeks in, or a weekend, $50. If you stick around, you don't have to stay in your first 5K club. I know you will because you'll see the value, not only this, but there's so much more inside of it. Let me just show you. I can just show you right now. Let me show you what's inside of it. So this is it. 1.6 thousand members. About 200 people have joined in the past 36 hours. Put 200 people in 36 hours in the comments if you heard that. There's 2 5-day challenges. Here's where the replay is. This is it. And then there's a second one that's your $100 offer where hundreds of people in my membership have made money off of this one because this has been going for about 3 months. That's just one section. Look at all this. Core training. This is all videos that I produced. Paid one-on-one calls, one-day digital workshop, done for you service. I show you exactly how to make $5,000 because it's called your first 5K. People have been making hundreds or even more being an affiliate. Have a YouTube accelerator in there. We got AI stuff going on in there. It's crazy. You get free stuff to my prompt shop. I'm not even finished yet. Like there's more and there's more and there's more. But that 5 days to 5K challenge is off the chain. You have to try it. You just have to try it. If you're in Arlan's All Access, you can also have access to this. So if you want to skip the line and just go ahead and to go into Arlan's All Access, we'll welcome you with open arms. That's kind of like our graduate program. Now, what can you take away right now and start working on? Well, you can start thinking through your niche, your target audience, and the name of your YouTube channel and your school. If you have any trouble doing that, day one's replay, which is available right now inside of your first 5K for you to watch right now, helps you. Not only helps you and talks about it, where I talk about it for an hour, 70 minutes, but I give you a custom GPT. Remember earlier I said that I gave Tyreek a tool? Well, I gave everybody that tool who's in the challenge. It's a custom GPT, like on ChatGPT, but it's customized. I trained it to tell you exactly what the name of your YouTube channel and school should be, what your niche should be based on your skills and your interests that you talk to it about, and who your target audience is. So you get all of that just for joining for free. And then there's much, much, much more. And if you're at work right now, watching this, listening to this, on your way to work, on your way home from work, you're not able to make it live, those replays are going to just be perfect for you. It's like half the people are watching it live, half are watching the replays. But I hear it from everybody. I feel like I'm behind. I need this to work now. I hear all of that. I teach a lot. Like I have made millions of dollars over the past decade, and I've generated millions of dollars for other people. And I've invested millions of dollars. I've also donated millions of, like $1 million, not millions, $1 million I've donated. So I can teach you multiple ways. As you saw in the classroom, there's multiple ways. This one is special. This one, I think we cracked the code. Write cracked the code in the comments if you're still with me, if you're ready, if you were there today or yesterday or whenever you're watching this, if you were there on day one or if you saw the replay of day one. Don't give away all the secrets, but let us know how it was for you, what your takeaway was or how it felt. Tell people in the comments if they should join. Because you know, at one point you were in the comments thinking about it. Should I join? I don't know if I should join. What made you change your mind? And are you happy you did? Let us know in the comments. I'm going to read every single one of them. And I can't wait to see you live on our 5-day challenge or in the replays. And I'll see you inside the club either way. This is my favorite kind of club, by the way. This is me going clubbing, your first 5K club. And then I'm going to be in bed. You're okay. I'll see you soon. I'm hyped for you. I'm proud of you. I'm happy for you. We're going to go up together. We're going to make this happen. No more excuses. Let's go.